it's Brooke with WTI.
If you've been thinking about a water flosser, I love this one by Coolmax, Caredite water flosser. It works so great for me. It's cordless, it's portable, easy to travel with. It cleans in between each and every tooth so well. I also love that if I close my lips, no water sprays out. This is really easy to use. I fill up the tank and it's a very big tank, so I only need to fill it up once and then I get a full use out of it. I also appreciate that it has 4 different tips. There is the standard tip, orthodontic, periodontal, and tongue scraper tips. Has 3 modes. Each mode provides me with a different pressure of PSI, the soft mode, pulse mode, and the strong mode, all the way ranging from 60 to 140 PSIs. I enjoy using each and every one, whether I want a deep clean, a quick clean, or massaging of my gums. The charge is really amazing. I get 60 uses out of a full charge. I have ortho right now, so this does a great job of helping me in keeping my teeth clean, which can be a pain if you have ortho. I like that you can rotate the tip 360 degrees, so it's convenient for you. You can store that tip inside your water flosser and close it up, and it's so cool. It comes with a travel case. It's really compact, and it does a great job of even scraping my tongue. The detachable water tank comes off and makes it easy to keep dry and clean.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.